Hello students, be ready for maths class. I am Jayesh Patel. Hope you all are well and doing your study properly. Today we are going to start exercise 13.2 from chapter 13th, exponents and power. For your reference, all important notes and formulas are also given before starting the exercise. Sum number 3. Say true or false and justify your answer. First one. 10 into 10 raised to 11 is equal to 100 raised to 11. Student, please note, this is not equal. First of all, we have to prove that it is equal or not. Okay. Now see the left hand side. 10 into 10 raised to 11 is equal to 10 raised to 1 plus 11 is equal to 10 raised to 12. And RHS side, 100 raised to 11 is equal to 10 raised to 2 whole raised to 11 is equal to 10 raised to 22. Since left hand side is not equal to RHS, therefore it is false. It's clear everyone? Very good. Second, 2 raised to 3 greater than 5 square. Left hand side is equal to 2 raised to 3 is equal to 8 and right hand side is equal to 5 raised to 2 is equal to 25. Now student, we know that 8 is not greater than 25. Since left hand side is not greater than right hand side, therefore it is false. It's clear everyone? Very good. Third one, 2 raised to 3 into 3 square is equal to 6 raised to 5. Now on the left hand side, 2 raised to 3 into 3 raised to 2 is equal to 8 into 9 is equal to 72. Now see on the right hand side, here 6 raised to 5 is equal to 7776. Since left hand side is not equal to right hand side, therefore it is false. It's clear everyone? Very good. Fourth one, 3 raised to 0 is equal to 1000 raised to 0. Now left hand side is equal to 3 raised to 0 is equal to 1 and right hand side is equal to 1000 raised to 0 is equal to 1. Since left hand side is equal to right hand side, therefore it is true. It's clear everyone? Very good. Sum number 4. Express each of the following as a product of prime factors only in exponential form. First one, 108 and 192. Now first to find out the factor of 108. Now divide the 108 by 2, we will get 54. Again divide it by 2, we will get 27. Now divide 27 by 3, we will get 9. Divided by 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3 and 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. Hence the factor of 108 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now factor of 192 is equal to, first divided by 2 we will get 96. Then divide 96 by 2 we will get 48. Divided by 48 divided by 2 we will get 24. 24 divided by 2 we will get 12. 12 divided by 2 we will get 6. 6 divided by 2 we will get 3 and 3 divided by 3 we will get 1. Hence the factor of 192 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now we have to write the factors in prime factors. So 108 into 192 is equal to 2 raised to 2 into 3 raised to 3 into 2 raised to 6 into 3. Therefore 2 raised to 2 plus 6 into 3 raised to 3 plus 1 is equal to 2 raised to 8 into 3 raised to 4. It's clear everyone? Very good. Third or fourth, 729 and 64. Now first find out the factor of 729. Now divided by 729 by 3 we will get 243. 243 divided by 3 we will get 81. 81 divided by 3 we will get 27. 27 divided by 3 we will get 9. 9 divided by 3 we will get 3, and 3 divided by 3 we will get 1. Hence the factor of 729 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now let's find out the factor of 64. 64 divided by 2 we will get 32. 32 divided by 2 we will get 16. 16 divided by 2 we will get 8. 8 divided by 2 we will get 4. 4 divided by 2 we will get 2, and 2 divided by 2 we will get 1. Now the product of prime factors is equal to 729 into 64 is equal to 3 raised to 6 into 2 raised to 6 is equal to 3 into 2 whole raised to 6 is equal to 6 raised to 6. It's clear, everyone? Very good. Sum number 5th, simplify. First one, 2 raised to 5 the whole square into 7 cube upon 8 raised to 3 into 7. Student, now simplify this first, that is 2 raised to 10 into 7 cube upon, now 8 cube is given, so we can write the 8 cube as 2 raised to 3 whole cube into 7 is equal to 2 raised to 10 into 7 cube upon 2 raised to 9 into 7. Now simplify this further, that is 2 raised to 10 minus 9 into 7 raised to 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 raised to 1 into 7 square is equal to 2 into 49 is equal to 98. It's clear, everyone? Very good. Second, 25 into 5 square into 2 raised to 8 upon 10 raised to 3 into t raised to 4. Student, first simplify this. We can write 25 as a 5 square, and 10 raised to 3 we can write as 2 into 5 the whole raised to 3. So after simplifying this, we will get 5 square into 5 square into t raised to 8 upon into bracket 2 into 5 bracket close raised to 3 into t raised to 4. Now simplify this, that is 5 square into 5 square into t raised to 8 upon 2 cube into 5 cube into 8 raised to 4. Now simplify this further, that is 5 raised to 2 plus 2 minus 3 into t raised to 8 minus 4 upon 2 raised to 3 is equal to 5 raised to 1 into t raised to 4 upon 8 is equal to 5 t raised to 4 upon 8. It's clear, everyone? Very good. Third one, 3 raised to 5 into 10 raised to 5 into 25 upon 5 raised to 7 into 6 raised to 5. Now simplify some terms. First one, that is 10 raised to 5 is equal to 2 into 5 whole raised to 5. 25 is equal to 5 square, and 6 raised to 5 is equal to 2 into 3 the whole raised to 5. Okay, now simplify this, that is 3 raised to 5 into bracket 2 into 5 bracket close raised to 5 into 5 square upon 5 raised to 7 into bracket 2 into 3 bracket close raised to 5. Now simplify this further, that is 3 raised to 5 into 2 raised to 5 into 5 raised to 5 into 5 square upon 5 raised to 7 into 2 raised to 5 into 3 raised to 5. Now simplify this further, we will get 3 raised to 5 minus 5 into 2 raised to 5 minus 5 into 5 raised to 5 plus 2 minus 7 is equal to 3 raised to 0 into 2 raised to 0 into 5 raised to 0 is equal to 1 into 1 into 1 is equal to 1. It's clear, everyone? Very good.